right, Keegan.
You're welcome.
Is that good, Keegan? Is that a good cupcake?
Just try to take it away. Yeah.
Very good. Very good. What you got, Drake? Yeah, whose cupcake is that? Is it your cupcake for Keegan's birthday? Yeah, did you sing happy birthday? You did. What did it sound like? Like that?
Pink.
Does it sound like pink? That works.
Guys.
It does look. It's supposed to be red.
Okay, let's not do that anymore, okay?
And he was rocking at one point.
Oh, you got some serious frost in there, buddy.
What?